Quick and easy ways to detox your body in just 5 minutes. Perhaps we, as humans, have a bit more time to use. We still seek for the quickest solutions so that we may return to the activities we truly like. To save you time and ensure that your body is functioning at its optimum, I've listed the top 5 techniques to detoxify your system in under 5 minutes. Your general health is improved by detoxifying your body. It can also help you lose weight, prevent illness, reduce stress, and enhance your mental wellness. When you first get up in the morning, throughout your workday, or whenever you need a brief study break, use these detox tactics. 1. Sip on some water. One of the finest and quickest methods to remove toxins from your body is by drinking water. Water ensures that toxins are eliminated from your body by moving them through your system via your bloodstream. Make an effort to drink the necessary 8 glasses of water each day. Pro tip: herbal tea counts toward your water consumption. 2. Apply dry skin brushing. Dry brushing not only works wonders for exfoliating and removing dead skin cells, but it also activates your lymphatic system. The lymphatic system helps your body cleanse itself by carrying pollutants in lymph fluid to lymph nodes all around your body, which then excrete the toxins. Before taking a shower, dry brushing your skin helps lymph fluid reach lymph nodes more quickly and effectively by getting it circulating. The secret is to move quickly and briefly while brushing towards the direction of your heart. For optimal results, dry brushing should be done a few times each week and only takes 5 minutes. 3. Consume prebiotics as a snack. We've all learned of probiotic-rich foods by this point, such as kombucha, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Are you aware that prebiotics are also necessary for your body to receive the full range of probiotic benefits? Tomatoes, bananas, oats, artichokes, and asparagus are examples of foods high in prebiotics. Using onions and garlic in your cooking is a simple approach to increase your intake of prebiotics because they are both fantastic prebiotics. By removing all the undesirables from your stomach and preparing the way for probiotics to produce beneficial gut bacteria, prebiotics aid in toxin removal. 4. Start moving. Want to take a brief study break? Try fitting in 5 minutes of gentle exercise, such as 5 minutes of dancing to your favorite tunes or 5 minutes of planks, sit-ups, push-ups, or star jumps. Exercise lowers inflammation throughout the body, which maintains the effectiveness of your detoxification systems. It only takes a few 5-minute energy spurts every day to meet the suggested weekly exercise goal of 150 minutes. 5. The role of antioxidants. The same way antioxidants protect cells from free radical damage in your food and skincare, they also reduce oxidative stress in your body. This prevents pollutants from amassing and harming your health. To get your share of antioxidants, grab some berries, fruit, nuts, coffee, or green tea.